Buffett's stealthy action indicates that you should instantly do this with silver. Something is going on with silver once more, and who can guess who is paying attention in the background? It was Warren Buffett. For those of you who are rolling your eyes and assuming that Buffett does not invest in silver, you should wait because he does. And this is something he has done in the past. And the last time he checked out the setup, he made close to $100 million. Undoubtedly, he fashioned that out of silver. Take a look at this. Please go on the link provided in the description if you're interested in seeing silver. This competition is being brought on by Money Metals. A total of 20 silver eagles are being given away. They run this competition on a monthly basis. A 10th ounce of gold was brought home by Kevin, who is from Kentucky, the previous month. Take a look at the link further down and put yourself on that list as the next winner. Please have a look at this. The thing is as follows, and however, Buffett has never been a fan of gold. He has not done so. For years, he has maintained that gold is just sitting there. In contrast to silver, which is a whole different tale, it does not generate anything. He appreciates the fact that silver is also put to use. He appreciates the fact that it is utilized in electronic devices. Sunlight and medicine both make use of it. An industrial metal is what it is in the same manner as gold does. He believes that it is not only a shiny rock resting there. In addition, the Silver Institute reports that demand accounted for 50% of the total silver utilization in the previous year. Also, he is aware of that. Therefore, prices are subject to significant swings whenever there is a decrease in demand or a reduction in supply. Buffett is paying attention at this moment because of this. It's not because he has a passion for silver. Rather, he enjoys identifying instances in which the market is out of equilibrium. And now we come to the truly fascinating portion. In the midst of everyone's excitement over gold, Buffett has been quietly keeping an eye on silver. This is not the first time that he has done anything like this. Listen to this that was popular in the 1990s. The demand for silver was higher than the supply, so Buffett made a large purchase of 111 million ounces of the precious metal. Around 100 million ounces were being produced annually by it. He referred to silver as being out of control, and once that imbalance was addressed, he was able to walk away with a profit of almost $97 million. It is true that this is a man who is not shy about expressing his disdain for gold. It is a timeless piece. Before he gets involved, he waits until the figures finally make sense to him. In other words, if he is expressing interest once more at this time, it is not due to hype. This is due to the fact that a certain aspect of the supply and demand scenario appears to be familiar. A wise idea would be to avoid chasing silver when it is in high demand. Await the moment when the configuration appears to be the same as it was back then, when everyone else was ignoring it. What we ought to be doing is exactly that. When it comes to silver, the harsh reality is that it does not move in a linear fashion. It arrives in a hurry. After that, it collapses in the same instant. Since 2011, every bull run in silver has been followed by a correction of between 20 and 30%. We have been observing it to be the case. The reason for this is that investing in silver at this time after a run-up might be a dangerous move. Buffett has a straightforward approach. Wait for the excitement to die down. If prices are monotonous, then you should move. It's dull. As it was 2 years ago when everyone was moaning that silver stacking had died off, the situation is still the same, on account of the pattern's tendency to repeat itself over and over again. This is what you anticipate, and this is the most important point. Buffett is not pursuing silver. It appears that he is keeping a close eye on it. In addition, we ought to be doing the same thing that he does, which is observing as history repeats itself and waiting for that sweet spot. Obtain your own silver, may we say? Use the URL that is provided in the description. Gratitude is extended to Money Miles Exchange for their sponsorship of our channel. It is a fantastic competition. They distribute 20 silver eagles, which is equivalent to 20 eagles each and every month. Use the URL that I have provided further down. Put yourself on that list as the next winner. I'll see you on the next one, and be sure to take that silver home with you.